Step-by-step makeup tutorial for beginners. First, primer to prime the face. Next is foundation. Blend that in. Next is cream bronzer. Blend that in. Next is concealer to highlight. Next is cream blush. Next is compact powder to set the concealer. Another powder to set the cream bronzer. Then a blush to set the cream blush. Contour the nose. Then setting powder to set. And define the contour. Next is eyes. First, I use concealer for the eyes as eyeshadow, as a primer. Then the eyeshadow. First is brown shade for the eyelid, all over the eyelid. Then a darker brown a darker brown shade for the crease, and that is all for the eyes. Line the waterline with black liner. Use that the same eyeshadow to blend the under eye. Then line the eyes. It's a black liner. Highlight. Blend the highlights. Next is lips. I'm lining the lips with a brown lip liner. And a clear gloss. Another gloss from NYX Cosmetics. And that is all. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching. God bless you.